ça fait. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create your first compa demo in FL Studio 25. I'm gonna show you all the basics. So let's have some fun. Let's set our tempo. I'm gonna go with 80 and go to the Afrobeat Essential Border Volume 3, compa, and then let's use this compa Kali right here. Now we need a kick. I'm gonna go with this one. Feel each first step. Okay, and then we need a tambour or conga. So for the conga and the cowbell, we are going to pen the conga to the right and then the cowbell a little bit to the left. So top. And then we duplicate this one so we can have 4 bars. And now we can add some open add. Nice. And we're gonna use the crash at some point. Okay, we have a good drum pattern. Now we can start by bringing some melody. I think I'm going to create a zouk style guitar first. I created a preset in the last compa tutorial that I dropped. I cannot really recall if it's the last one, but at some point I did create it. So groove, we go to empty and then we use the one that I have, the zouk groove. And then for chord, you can just go and then you empty it and you go to map and MIDI. There's different way you can do it. If you do filter, you can choose the chord that you want if you have them in your head. If you don't, you can go to MIDI and then you start recording it with your MIDI keyboard. So I think I have something in mind. Let me just go record and then we go. The first chord is gonna be, and then we can go maybe C. That one is a popular chord progression for compa. And then if you want to stop it, it's gonna be this one. So we can put this right here if we wanna stop it, and then we will start. So and then the next thing to do is to add this preset that I created for this one particularly. I just add a chorus, reverb, and then delay. Okay, let's load labs again, and then now we can go to the soft piano, and then we can just recreate the composition. Let's go. I'm going to record it. Sorry. Okay. I'll cue, we contact everything, and then comment. Let's take this one here. Comment L. Now it's time to add some guitar groove to the beat. We call this one guitar groove chord because it's gonna play in the low mid section and it's gonna be fire. Okay, let me show you a technique that you can use. Normally I'm going to complete the melody that I'm doing on this note right there. Like this second note right there. See? Take it, and then we do the same thing. We copy this right there, and then we just change the bass note. Comment B, and then in the last one. Nice, nice. Nice. And now we can have this on the right. Those elements right there are essential for compa. The next thing I'm gonna add is going to be a trance gate. There's a preset that I used recently called Eternity. You just copy the same corporation, Command C, Command V, and then you pass it there. And then now to complete the melody line, we need something that is catchy, something that is repetitive. We clone Nexus. And let's see if we can find a plug. Oh, I think I found something. Okay. It's time now to add the bass. The bass is gonna make it sound 100% like compa, and I must use this governed bass. Governed mean big belly. You know, in compa, most of the time the bass player always have a big belly, and then Okay, now we go down like that. Okay, with this one, I wanna take it and then add it to a pattern by itself. Okay, we can do something different in this one, make unique, and we can remove this also. Okay. Okay, we are creating a transition right there. Normally in compa, you can create a transition at the end of a bar and then continue with it at the start of the second bar. This is what we're gonna do. You can see right there we have. You see something like that, and I'm gonna go try to find an hi-hat. I think I might use this one. But first, I think I can use a sub bass right here. Let's use this sub right there, and we can mute all those bass, those right there, and then we do. Okay, nice. Now we are going to slide this sub bass so we can create a crazy effect on it, like okay. Now we can create this hi-hat now. Maybe we make something that's faster. That's nice. That's nice. Now we play with the velocity, and also we play with the panning. And I think this one should be lower too. And if we want, we can also have another crash right there. That's it. And on this one, you will want to have your kick that get back. So Yeah, guys, that's how easy it is to create compa vibe. And once you find the bounce, everything in, it's gonna sound always good. So yeah, that's all you need to know about the basics. Once you can create this, you can definitely add solo and also find a guitarist to play more with them through the instrumental, and then find a good artist that can drop some bars on it. So yeah, that's it. Now I'm just gonna go off camera, do a little gang staging, and then play the final demo for you. Enjoy. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions, leave a comment down below. Also, let me know in the comment section if you want me to create a tutorial on how to create the solo, the Guyad vibe. So yeah, that's it. See you on the next one.